Switches are electrical devices that open and close to control a load in an electric circuit. The contacts that we just discussed are one type of switch. Switches can open and close as a result of changes in any one of a number of different factors, including temperature, pressure, fluid flow, or manual means. A manual switch is one that changes its position by manual force. The power switch on an air conditioning unit, for example, is a manually controlled device. Switches are identified by the number of poles and the number of throws that a switch has. The number of poles is the number of contacts contained within the switch. A simple light switch has only one set of contacts and is therefore a single pole device. The throw indicates the number of positions that a switch can have. The switch we just examined is a single pole, single throw switch. The single pole indicates that there is only one circuit that is being controlled. The single throw indicates that the switch has two positions, open and closed. The electrical symbol for a single pole, single throw switch is shown here. A double pole, single throw switch controls two sets of contacts and has two positions, on and off. The electrical symbol for a double pole, single throw switch is shown here. A single pole, double throw switch controls one set of contacts, but has three positions instead of two. The electrical symbol for this switch is shown here. A double pole, double throw switch controls two sets of contacts and also has three positions. The electrical symbol for this switch can be seen here. One special type of manually operated switch is the service disconnect switch. This type of disconnect is used to interrupt power that feeds a particular piece of equipment. We can see that this disconnect has three fuses inside, meaning that there are three circuits inside this box. Let's take a look at the electrical symbol for this disconnect. We can see that there are three separate switches in this device. The three curved lines at the bottom of the symbol represent the fuses. Switches that are controlled by changes in temperature or pressure are drawn a little differently. Temperature switches, known as thermostats, are drawn as single pole, single throw switches, with an added tail indicating that there is an external connection to the device. A heating thermostat that closes its contacts on a drop in temperature is shown here. A cooling thermostat is one that closes its contacts on a rise in temperature and is drawn differently. Similarly, switches that open on a rise in pressure are drawn as shown here, as well as those that close on a rise in pressure. Notice the difference between the pressure switches and the thermostats.